Americanism from the 25th of the 8th month of 1446. Who needs spirituality when you have a nation? Secular authorities compose their own constitution. Here there is an insurmountable variety of opinion. Ceremonial use abounds for such as the Declaration. The Supreme Court can be more strict for an American. Derived from earlier sources and flexible towards qualifications, the figurative and statute references continues to spread its determination. And of course, I've abbreviated some things and alluded to others. People will talk about the Federalist Papers, the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution of the United States of America. Various things can be pointed out.